Welcome back to the session on LaTeX. In this session, we will see how to install LaTeX on Windows and Ubuntu, get introduced to different IDEs, web-based and offline. So, if you are a Windows user, download MikTeX from this link, open the exe file and follow the steps given. If you are a Ubuntu user, then run this command sudo apt get install TechLive full. Now once LaTeX gets installed, choose your favorite LaTeX editor. These are all offline editors. So some examples are TextStudio, Kyle and TechWorks. In this course, we will be using TextStudio. If you are a person who keeps on traveling or wants to work from office and home, a web-based editor is a better option. We use Overleaf and of course each of them have their own advantages and disadvantages. Now when you choose an editor, how do you choose? So you can keep the following points in mind. It would help in increasing your productivity. For example, autocomplete of LaTeX commands. As you type, there will be a series of commands which it will suggest, parenthesis matching, collapsible sections which we will see in the coming session, inverse search, number of collaborators, public and private projects, things which Google Docs offers like tracking changes, history and comments. If all these features are there in a particular editor, it would be helpful. You can also explore some more editors. You can compare the editors if you can just Google list of LaTeX editors, a comparison between them. Wiki gives a very nice article on it. Thank you. Have a nice day.